Come to a place called Lions Nature Education Centre today. It's a Sunday and there's not many places we can go to today. It's an overcast day, but it's still busy in town. But this place is really close to Sai Kung town. It's about a 10 or 15 minute walk to get here, and it's basically like a botanical garden. It can be quite busy on the weekends, but we're quite lucky today. They have a lot of different types of trees, a lot of tropical fruits growing. It's not quite spring, summer time yet, so there's not too much in terms of wildlife, but nonetheless, it's a pretty good day out here. So yeah, check it out.
I think it's too soon. It's not spring yet, it's still winter. When spring comes, the animals will come out, like frogs, snakes, or butterflies, like that.
What is not a real one? Look at that. Yes.
I didn't mention earlier, but this place is actually free admission. There's a small cafeteria called the Deaf Cafeteria. It's a little bit pricey, but the food's okay. Yeah, it's quite nice here. There's a few trails that go off from the actual centre itself, and they go off to the peninsula by Trio Beach. You can actually get to Trio Beach from here. It's about a 40 to 45 minute walk. It's pretty flat. Very rolling hills, really. Yeah, nothing too high to climb. But yeah, the sun's come out. It's looking pretty good now, as you can see. Yeah. And crickets.
Banana shake.
Banana milkshake.